Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications bell. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a DIY mesh ball. And so first, if you have like this nylon net, I like 2.0 inch like that. Yeah. And then if you have one needle, like the teeny needles from our videos, like so, So, let's get started. So first you have to cut the nylon net. Jangan kamerati. First, you have to cut the nylon net like this. I had to cut many holes. So second, you put the teeny needle in. And then now you wrap it in. So you're gonna like twist it until it's squishy. And now let me show you the difference from the churner mesh ball. You can like pop bubbles, but I really like to use it as my mesh ball. So bye.